Hello, my name is Steve Ledon from MarineMax Boston, and we're here at the 2019 New England Boat Show. Let's take a look at Sailfish's 245 dual console. Standing here at the front of the Sailfish 245, you'll notice the sharp entry. This is Sailfish's VDS hull design. It's a very aggressive dead rise, great for the waters up in the Northeast. It handles that 2 or 3 foot chop extremely well. Really dry, really dry boat. Runs up on top, keeps the family comfortable even in the roughest conditions. This boat's powered by Mercury 300 Verado. Also optional, you can do Yamaha power. As we enter the cockpit, you'll see there's a lot of space for entertaining. You have pull-out seats on both sides. Optional table insert. You can entertain 6 to 8 people comfortably here in this 24-foot boat. On the transom, you have retractable ski pylon for tubing with the kids. Also freshwater shower. Sailfish has the deepest cockpit and bow in the industry. When you have young kids running around the boat, you'll know that they're going to be safe with the depth of the boat. The 3-position lounger here, and this position's forward and aft facing seating. Turns into a lounger, and then all the way down to a sunbed. This also makes for a nice bench seat. You can sit 4 people across. When you're out boating in the spring, late fall, you can enclose the hardtop and get everybody comfortable out of the weather. A high-low captain's chair makes it very comfortable whether you're sitting down, standing up, running the boat. Here we have a bathroom with a lot of headspace. Because of Sailfish's deep hull and the VDS design, it allows for a pretty roomy head. I'll get in here and show you the depth. We also have a freshwater sink in here, so you don't have to use the transom shower to wash your hands. In-floor rod storage, lockable. And forward, we have a nice seating area. And again, you'll see the depth of the boat. It's resting on the upper back. So it's a comfortable boat. You don't feel like you're going to fall out. Thanks for taking a quick look at the 245 Sailfish. My name's Steve Ledon with MarineMax Boston. If you'd like more information on this 245, please contact me at 774-991-3880. Thank you.